As a resident of South Florida, having a generator is essential, especially during hurricane season. So today I'll be reviewing Generac G-Force engine generator. My husband is a master electrician, so this review will have a few technical terms that will be broken down for the average consumer, such as myself. Let's get into the review. This particular model is the Generac 7228. It weighs around 420 pounds and has an output wattage of 18 kilowatts. The generator came in a fully enclosed design, which is a neat feature. Plus, it has automatic idle control, keeping things super quiet when you need it. It measures around 30.1 inches in length, 6.3 inches in width, and 13.5 inches in height. The generator runs on 120 volts and has a tank volume of 5 gallons. Its engine type is a reliable 4-stroke design with an engine displacement of 459 cubic centimeters. The frequency it operates on is 50 Hz. According to the website, it's built to handle the demands of generator use and requires less maintenance compared to other engines out there, which means you get reliable power without the hassle. As I mentioned before, my husband is a master electrician, and one of the features that stood out to him about this generator was the quiet test self-test mode. When activated, it runs at a lower RPM for either a 5 or 12-minute test. This not only makes the generator quieter than other brands, but it also helps conserve fuel, so you can enjoy peace and quiet without sacrificing efficiency. Another great thing about this generator is the True Power technology. This ensures top-notch power quality with less than 5% total harmonic distortion. Well, my husband says that this means your sensitive electronics and appliances can run smoothly and safely without any issues. One important thing to note is that the generator does not come with batteries and doesn't require any either. It also comes with a generous 5-year warranty, which provides a peace of mind. Now, to sum this review up, I am very glad that we purchased the Generac G-Force engine generator. I feel like it is a fantastic choice in the event that our power goes out during hurricane season. It offers a reliable and low-maintenance engine, quiet self-test mode, and excellent power quality for my sensitive electronics in our home. So I hope you found this review helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Until next time.